Good evening, everyone. Yeah, thanks everyone. Good evening to all. Change is universal, change is permanent. Be ever willing to change, for change always leads you to success and glory. In pursuit of success of Communique National Telecom Seminar for the past 12 years, we introduced to you Communique 09, the first Asian Telecom Seminar at SITM. With foreign players entering India and Indian players looking to expand their operations abroad, it becomes more relevant to discuss telecom issues with an Asian perspective and learn from each other's experiences. The speed and breadth of technology use and adoption in Asia continues to challenge the existing ideas about the future of communications in the region and beyond. What we see in Asia, even though it's uneven, is the impact of mass connectivity. As millions of people have gained access to mobile and internet, new usages, behaviors, and above all, new innovations have blossomed. Asia's communication revolution has been about connectivity. Understanding this is the key to grasping what new opportunities and challenges face the region. With the markets in the developed countries reaching a point of saturation, operators across the world are looking forward to greener pastures in Asia. Hence, we brought up the theme of seminar, Connect Asia, Epicenter of Next Generation Growth. With 5 country-specific case studies and 5 high-profile panel discussions, Communique 09 addressed these challenges and opportunities. Now, when the time has come to bring curtains down on the Communique 09, the first Asian Telecom Seminar at SITM, I, Anubhav Bhatia, along with my seminar committee for Communique 09, on behalf of Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management, would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the speakers, delegates, and esteemed audience who have been part of the event. I'm sure the deliberations for the 2 days of Communique 09 have given all of us some food for thought. The successful culmination of this program owes much to the guidance and support of our faculty in charge, Mr. Avinash Aslekar, our Deputy Director, Mr. Professor Kulkarni, and continuous motivation by other faculties. The Asian Telecom Seminar would not have been successful without the support of our sponsors. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our sponsors and supporting institutions. Our gold sponsor, GTL Infrastructure; lunch sponsor, Utipa Mobility; networking sponsor, Sterlite; session sponsor, Motorola; souvenir sponsor, Amdocs; corporate gift partner, 197; co-event promoter, IAMAI; media associate, Communications Today and Voice and Data; print media partner, Indian Express and Financial Express; radio partner, 98.3 Radio Mirchi; online media partner, Telecom India Delhi and Telecom Tiger; tech community partner, itvidya.com; registration partner, VoiceGate; our global supporting associations, GRAPA and Bimax Forum; our supporting associations, ITU APT, IPTV India Forum, SPI, TUG, OSPI, and CMI. I also thank all the distinguished invitees who have graced the Communique 09 and made it a grand success. I would also like to thank all my batchmates, batch on 8, 10, and 9, 11, for their continuous support as well as their overwhelming participation throughout this event. Thank you all once again. Hope to see you all again in Communique 10.